Friends, hello and welcome you all to my channel name genuinereview.com. So, friends, today I'm going to present you something about this software which is just launched. The name of this software is Lazy Commissions. So, friends, if you ask me about Lazy Commission, like what is Lazy Commissions, like friends, if you want to focus like on how to get you $100 per day online with affiliate marketing starting from the scratch. This course is based on solid fundamentals and is exactly what the creators of this software of this course are doing to make a consistent income online. If you are new to affiliate marketing, friends, then this course has your name written all over it. Even more so, if you keep falling for push button profits or useless buyer traffic apps. And friend, these things do not exist, never have, and never will. And this brings us to the biggest flaw of Lazy Commissions, the name. This is definitely not for lazy bums, but for people who are willing to take this opportunity for serious. So, friends, for a limited time only, you will able to pick up your copy of Lazy Commissions completely for free because it's still in the pre-launch phase. The product is far from perfect, but Tim and Paul, who are the creators of this software, are working hard every day on improving it. So currently the course only contain written content and a few audio files. All the video will be added to the member area shortly, but don't let that hold you back because the written content is packed with golden information and it's truly affiliating marking paradise. Once all the videos are uploaded, Lazy Commissions will turn into a paid product. So grab this opportunity. It's still available for free. So friends, as you can see that this product, like if you purchase this today, you will get it for $0. Its actual price is worth $97, but us it's in pre-launch phase. You will get the software for $0. Okay, so friends, this is a brief about this software. Like if you ask about all the u- users, like why do fail in affiliate marketing, because friends, those u- users are not using the right tactics or the right concept behind doing affiliate marketing. So friends, if you use right tactics and right tips in order to get sales, then this software will certainly gonna help you a lot. So friends, who are the guys behind this course, like who have invented or created this software? So truth be told, I don't have the slightest idea who Paul Niding is. Means friends, Paul Niding is the creator of this software along with Team Eichels, Paul Niding and Team Eichel. So Team Eichel is on other hand. I know all too well, but both of us are regularly competing for the top spots on Google where we can when we can make a product review. So I know that he's promoting legitimate programs and talks the talk. He is an honest marketer from Germany, and he has made around six figure online. To show you that he is the real deal, friends, like if you want to know like how this lazy commissions will gonna help you, so friends, you just need to try this software out once. So friends, for sure you will get no more fake gurus who just tell that they will help you to a great deal and they will help you to make most of money. So this software, you won't get any fake gurus or no hypes. Whatever you will get in this software would be 100% genuine and scam free. No more shiny o- objects that only tell you the only part of the story. That means, friends, you you won't get only a brief about the software, but the in-depth analysis of the software, like what this software is all about and how it will help you to get more profit out of your business. There would be no hype, there would be no crap, and there would be no empty promises at all. Friends, you can, like if you start using this software on serious notes, you can imagine yourself making $100 per day, okay, and you will get financial freedom for sure. Like friends, you don't have to do 8 to 9 hours jobs. You don't have to listen anything nonsense from your boss, okay. You will get a fully fledged income opportunity once you get this lazy commission software for yourself. So friends, like I have already told you at the starting of this video that for now and for a short period of time you will get this lazy commission software only for $0, and this price may rise to $97 within a month or 2 months. So friends, for me, like if you really want to just make a good profit and you want to get a leverage i- income source, which means that only one time you have to put in your efforts in. Once you put in your efforts and once you will put your uh, hard hardships or hard efforts in, so trust me friends, after this just don't have to spend like 1 to 2 hours daily on this software. You just have to put in your efforts only once, and afterwards you will surely see good results in front of your eyes for sure. And this is my promise to you, my friends. And friends, one more thing, that in every business market there is some effort is require from you all. Like if you buy this software and you will think and like you will get profit within 1 or 2 days, so this won't gonna happen, friends. Like you just have to put your uh, efforts in, and if you would remain consistent at least for 1 month with this software, you will certainly gonna get good results, okay friends. So and one last thing that I wanna tell you, friends, that if you will purchase this software using my link, which I will provide below this video, you will get 8 free gifts and 8 free bonuses with this software. That means, friends, you will get bonuses with this software itself. And if you purchase this software using my link, I will give you 8 free bonuses from my end as a gift, as a welcome gift, friends. Okay, so friends, if you have got any query regarding this lazy commissions, you can send me your you can send me mail, or you can message me on my below mentioned email ID and my Instagram handler. In case you do have any doubts, or in case if you have purchased the software, you can drop a receipt of your purchase to my email address, or you will just drop a comment in my in this below comment section, and I will send you bonus on your email or on your WhatsApp number, whichever way you feel comfortable, my friends. So once again, thanks for your time, and may God bless you all, friends. Thank you.